Hey, there's your boy Thu here, back at you with Crypto with you, and in today's video we're going to talk about the Polkadot ecosystem. So today we're going to be looking at the Polkadot network. Now, the market's going down right now, taking a dip. So we're just going to keep it moving to the Polkadot ecosystem over here on coinmarketcap. You could go ahead and click on it. It'll load it up. Now, this is new on coinmarketcap. They never even had this, but the Polkadot ecosystem has grown so much and there's so many projects scaled on top of it that has got its own list now for all of us to look at, and it shows you all the top dot projects. And I'm pretty sure this is not even all of them. This is just the top ones that they have here, so you can see on Coinbase. Now, from what I see here, the top 10, I'm invested in quite a few of them. That's how good of a ecosystem dot has. And they have a lot of amazing things going for them. I've been doing research before I even made this video. Edgeware, Seller, Acro. I mean, these are all projects that show promise. Mantra DAO. I seen another one. Insure Network. That's insurance on crypto and doing trades and stuff. Just all revolutionary stuff. Polka Cover. That's another one. Insurance and blockchain technology. Right below it, you see Spider DAO. I mean, these DAOs, that's another future thing. A lot of people are turning to make these DAOs, cryptos into DAOs. So it's a whole nother video. I'm not even gonna get into it here. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and click on dot now so you guys can see where dot's at. Now, when I started in the crypto world, dot was only just a couple dollars, and it's accelerated very, very fast. There's only a total supply of 1 billion dots, so it's a really, really, really good project. It's a really good buy. As you can see right now, it's at 25.91. It's down 10%. But like I said, it was only a couple dollars not that long ago, and in December. So look at that. It's only February. So what is Polkadot? Polkadot is an open source sharding multi-chain protocol that facilitates the cross-chain transfer of any data or asset types, not just tokens, thereby making a wide range of blockchains interoperable with each other. This interoperability seeks to establish a fully decentralized and private web controlled by its users and simplify the creation of new applications, institutions, and services. The Polkadot protocol connects public and private chains, permissionless network, oracles, and future technologies, allowing these independent blockchains to trustlessly share information and transactions through the Polkadot relay chain. Polkadot's native dot token serves 3 clear purposes: providing network governance and operations, and creating parachains, parallel chains by bonding. So with that, you can, put all these other platforms and cryptos here on the dot ecosystem. Polkadot has 4 core components: the relay chain, the parachains, the parathread, and the bridges. Now, who are the founders of Polkadot? Polkadot was founded by the Web3 Foundation, a Swiss foundation founded to facilitate a fully functional and user-friendly decentralized web as an open source project. Its founders are Dr. Gavin Wood, Robert Habermeer, and Peter Sasbin. Now, if you guys don't know who Dr. Gavin Wood is, you can follow him on Twitter and a couple other places. He's the co-creator of the Ethereum network. So just by saying that speaks volumes about this guy. He's got a PhD and God knows how many things, and knows a bunch of stuff about cryptocurrencies and the blockchain technology. I mean, he's gotten this far, creating his own ecosystem, his own network, and it's been scaled with all these other blockchain technologies and cryptos. So just think about all that. What makes Polkadot unique? Polkadot is a sharded multi-chain network, meaning it could process many transactions on several chains in parallel. This parallel processing power improves scalability. Custom blockchains are quick and easy to develop through the Substrate framework and be connected to Polkadot's network within minutes. The network is also highly flexible and adaptive, allowing the sharing of information and functionality between participants. Similar to apps on a smartphone, Polkadot can be automatically upgraded without the need for a fork in order to implement new features or remove bugs. The network has a highly sophisticated user-driven governance system that also helps to secure it. Communities can customize their blockchain governance on Polkadot based on their needs and evolving conditions. Nominators, validators, collators, and fishermen all fulfill various duties to help secure and maintain the network and eradicate bad behavior. Like I said, there's only 1 billion Polkadot. I mean, it may seem like a lot, but that's really not that much. How is Polkadot secured? Polkadot's mass interoperability through a set of common validators helps to secure its multiple blockchains and allows them to scale their transactions by spreading their data across many parachains. The network uses the NPOS, nominated proof-of-stake mechanism, to select validators and nominators and maximize chain security. This unique validity scheme enables chains to interact with each other securely under the same rules, yet remain independently governed. Like I said, DOT is its own ecosystem, and it's got all these projects layered and built on top of it. It's just going to keep growing and growing and getting just as big as Ethereum. People think that Polkadot was going to be the Ethereum killer, but they don't know that it's actually going to be, helping Ethereum in so many different ways. It's going to assist it pretty much. You can buy Polkadot on so many different places now. I remember when they first started, you could only get it in a couple spots. It's still not on Coinbase, but you can get it on crypto.com. You can get it on BitTrue. Uphold just added it. There's a bunch of places. I'll go down to the bottom so you can see Binance, OKX, Digifinix. I'll click the list so you guys can see it. Look, they're on a bunch of exchanges now. KuCoin, Kraken. And if you put your DOT on Kraken and create an account and everything, they let you get 12% APY for staking. That's a huge amount of percent for a crypto asset. So something to look into. But we're going to go ahead and see the website after I show you this. There's $23 billion pumped into DOT right now. Close to $24 billion, you could say. It's moved quite up on the rankings. And I'll just go back real quick so you can see that. It was in the top 10, but in the lower top 10 for a while, and it's in the top 5 now, I believe, top 6. Cardano just passed it by a little bit. Here, now let's go to the Polkadot website so y'all can take a look at it. Polkadot is live, and they're always doing so much things with the Polkadot network. You can also follow them on Twitter and stuff, and they're always announcing stuff that they're going to do early. But look it. Economic and transactional scalability, easy blockchain innovation, true interoperability, forkless and future-proof, security for everyone, user-driven network governance. Now, another one that's a good link to this is Polkastarter. You can find it on coinmarketcap as well. It's to vote on the Polkadot network, but as you can see, the website is very informational. You can learn more about it. Do all types of things. So yeah, as you can see, the Polkadot network shows massive amounts of gains to be made, future technologies to be brought to a real life, utility in the real world. So it's something to definitely look into. It's in the top 10. It's been there for a while. It's not going anywhere. I mean, it speaks volumes all in itself. Polkadot's relay chain is built with the Substrate, a blockchain building framework that is the distillation of party technologies, learnings, building Ethereum, Bitcoin, and enterprise blockchains. They're partnered with just so many people. And they're going on to so many different exchanges. Wait till it hits on Coinbase. It's always good to see these roadmaps. We're just going to click it so you can see. You can find it on most of these the roadmaps or the white papers and all these official websites of these projects. It tells you everything they're doing and when they're trying to accomplish it. But yeah, that's pretty much Polkadot in a nutshell, guys. Like I said, it's definitely something to take a look at. The price has gone up so much in the last couple of weeks. And it's just one of the top cryptos that I feel like isn't going to go nowhere. It's showing utility, and it's showing a lot of scalability and a lot of promise for the future. So after learning everything we did about the Polkadot ecosystem today, you can see why it's a top pick and a top 10 in the crypto world. It's a whole ecosystem of a bunch of projects, not just DOT. There's a lot of self-governance on it. And it's also open source sharding multi-chain protocols. It's going to enable smart contracts, DeFi, and the future of so many technologies and blockchains to be put on the DOT ecosystem. And it's just going to do so many things in the future. There's just so many crazily insane projects that are coming up on DOT every day. I keep researching, and the more I keep researching, the more interesting things I find that they're going to add to it. With people like Dr. Gavin Wood behind the project, I just don't see it failing. It's going to just keep pumping up. There's a lot of predictions that it's going to go up to $200 or more. I would love to see that, as I imagine so many other people in the crypto world. If you want to check out DOT, just look it up on coinmarketcap. It's sitting at number 6 right now at a price of $23.15. It's definitely a buy in my books, and it should be a buy in everyone's books at this point. Thank you guys for watching. More videos will be coming to you soon. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and see you next time. Bye.